Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. First is really to thank all of our traditional institutions, the entire leadership, for turning out for this quarterly meeting, and also my brother governors for the first time, they said in 19 years, they've never seen this level of participation. And so what this has given us, it has given an opportunity to hear, to listen between the traditional institutions and the executive, a thought out process. And I want to say to you that I've been privileged with Governor Hope to have sat in their subcommittee meeting. So this is an ongoing conversation. It is thought-provoking, like they have shared with us today, and it's something that we all need to analyze further and bring forward. The overall is within the National Assembly and Mr. President himself, to see how we all identify different roles, appreciate everybody's contribution at different levels, and be able to bring about what will be a win-win situation at the end of the day. So I want to commend my brother Governor Hope for giving us a thought-provoking, but more importantly, for all of them for coming out. Everybody has listened and heard, and I'm sure even in their own closed session, it will be things that they will further discuss, and deliberate upon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.